Hey guys, Kurt here with NK Garage, and this is the flea market video part 2 for Memorial Day weekend. And this is a new old stock tool dealer that is regularly at the flea market. They buy closeouts of stores, hardware stores, all sorts of that kind of stuff. And they've got a lot of new old stock tools. So I went through their stuff, I pulled out stuff that I wanted, and let's take a look. Pretty interesting. All right, here we go. This is what I pulled out of their collection of new old stock tools. And mainly I look for things that are good brands, USA made, or anything that I just think that I really need for myself and it was a really good price. So let's take a look. Start out here on the right. Pick these out. These are the Husky Professional hex key sets. And they're marked Made in USA. And you get the metric and the SAE. I got 2 packs of these at $10 each. And all the prices that you'll see, those are actually negotiated down a little bit because at the end we did a bulk discount. So probably paid $8 each, I'd say. And that's pretty good for brand new, American made in the holders. I was happy to pay that. And I actually needed these. It's just nice having a good set that isn't missing anything, because normally from the used tool hauls I get, these sets are all missing pieces and some of them are bent or beat up. So I just wanted something brand new, well made. Next up here, I found these bearing separators, and they were marked $25, which is actually a really good price for these things. These are made by CTA Tools, and they had 2 of them, so I actually grabbed both of them. I plan to keep the one that was open box and probably resell the other one on eBay. This is probably one of the best things I found there. SK Tools, another, hex key Allen set. But what this is this is a full range set. This is not the quick grab, little set here that goes up to 3/8 inch. No, this goes beyond that. 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 5/8. 3/4 inch. Look at that. And they're made in USA. That's a nice tool. Comes with the pouch, and besides this, going down to 0.050, we actually have 2 smaller than that, 0.035 and 0.028. And I didn't check, but maybe there might be another piece or 2 in between. Nice set. Paid $15 each, got 2 of them, USA made, in the pouch, really great. I just couldn't leave those behind. They actually had a 3rd one, but I only bought 2. Found these, Husky 3/8 drive ratchets. These are really cool. These are the 22202, and they're actually a quick release. You just push down on that center switch there, which I didn't realize when I bought it. I brought it home and then realized they had the quick release. Thought this was just your standard round head ratchet, just like an old SK ratchet, but the quick release actually is pretty cool. And these are actually really nice. These are definitely old. They're USA made. They don't do that anymore. They don't make ratchets that look like this anymore. So these were marked at $8 a piece. I grabbed all 3 of them. SK line wrench, flare nut wrenches. They had 2 different sizes, the 3/4 and 1, and the 7/8 and 1 1/8. They had a bunch of these. I grabbed 3 sets. These are definitely the larger sizes. They're all made in USA, all chrome finish, brand new old stock. So I'll probably keep 1 set for myself and resell the others. Cobalt pick set. Cheap little set. It was marked at $5. I just grabbed it because I don't have mini picks in my shed here. So for $5, I figured I'd just grab that for now, and at least I have something to work with. Found these wood chisels. They had a lot of wood chisels, but I only wanted the ones that were the good brands, made in USA, of course. We've got these old Sears Craftsman. You see the $5 price tag on there. That's amazing. We got a 3/4 inch, a 1 1/4, and a 2. Those are made by Western Forge. Brand new old stock. Buck Brothers. Great chisels, made in USA. These are all the longer handle style. There's a ½ inch, 3/4, and 1 inch in here, I believe. Nice 3-piece set. You can just tell how old it is by the yellowing in the package here. Made in USA, and they say they have a lifetime warranty. And while I was on it with the Buck Brothers, I found this other set. I think it's the same 3 sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch. But these are the shorter shank with the clear yellow like amber handles. Those are just, I don't know, I just really love those amber handles. It's really cool. Yeah, USA made, brand new in package. $5 for each of these. I couldn't pass that up. They had tons more, but I'll go back to their booth another time and buy more when I have more money. And last but not least, I bought these hex and torque sets. And I accidentally bought Master Force brand. If you see that in there, Master Force. So it was hard to see, but, you know, I picked them up. And there were a couple of Mac in here. Here's a Mac. The one on the end might be a Mac. Or no, this one is just marked USA, but it's not branded. So there's several different brands in here, I guess. Most of them, 90% is Master Force on both of these. This one here is OTC, and the rest are Master Force. I didn't have these in the shed, so now I do. I've never heard of this Master Force brand. I guess I'll try them out. Didn't pay a lot. This one was marked at 10. This one was marked at 25. But then he discounted everything, so I paid a little less. And I think everything kind of works its way out in the end. So I paid $175 for everything on the table here. I think that was an amazing deal. You know, I'll be keeping a good amount of this stuff, but I'll be reselling some of it as well. So I think I did quite well. That's it for today's video, guys. And if you have extra time, you don't mind, check out our other YouTube channel, NK Landscaping LLC. We are landscape contractors. We do landscape construction. That includes hardscapes, walkways, patios, retaining walls, lots of drainage work, topsoil and grading work, light excavation, all that kind of stuff. So check it out if you got extra time. The link is in the description. And if you are ever interested in visiting our eBay store, we'll have stuff like these Husky ratchets, these SK line wrenches, these wood chisels will be up there on there. One of these bearing separators is going up on there, and all sorts of other vintage goodies. You get 10% off if you use our coupon code. That's in the description. eBay store link is in the description. So we make it easy for you guys, and check it out. Support the channel, and have a great day, guys.